Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I wanted to give you guys an update of the Canon Avalon Nano 3. I'm actually mining this right now in my kitchen, which is very dirty right now, but I've been wanting to just give you guys some information regarding the shipping updates, mainly for those that have ordered this, and as well talk about some power supply issues that, not issues, well, it is an issue that I've been trying to test out on this Canon Avalon Nano 3, because the version I got here, I did not get the stock power supply that came with it. Okay, so I've been testing out some, Amazon power bricks like this MacBook 140 watt charger, which is not enough to do high mode on this Avalon Nano 3. Okay, so there's 3 different power modes on this, right? There's high, medium, and low. So high is 140 watts, medium is about 90 to 100 watts, and then low mode is about 60 to 65 watts. So there's a bunch of different standards out there when it comes to USB-C cables, which this is how it powers. Okay, USB-C input on the Avalon Nano and also the output for the power brick. I have been testing out just a few cables from Amazon, and I feel like I'm getting scammed because on Amazon there's USB-C cables that claim they're like generation 3.1, which I believe is capable of doing up to 240 watts. But there's a brand here from, I don't know, Cable Matters. I think it's because this is a cheap cable I got off Amazon, and it said it was like generation 3.1, but then on the back here it says generation 2.0 charging cable with 240 watt power delivery in black. So I've actually been testing this cable, and I'm actually testing it right now, and it doesn't seem to be able to handle 100 watts. You guys just saw, it just turned off. It just turned off. Now it's turning back on because this cable, it can't even handle medium mode, okay? This cable here is not able to handle medium mode, okay, which is about less than 100 watts mining. See, you can see that now it's booting back up, but once it gets to 100 watts, 90 watts, it's gonna shut down. And so if I change this cable to, let's say, the MacBook charger, okay, I got this off Amazon. This does come with the USB-C cable, okay? This is the 140 watt charger adapter. So I've tried to do high mode on this, doesn't work. But once I do medium mode, then it's fine, it works. So the power specifications of the Avalon Nano here, I'll show you guys underneath. Just let me plug this in. I'll just show you guys here, just show you guys that it'll run with the stock MacBook charging cable here. And again, I've ordered about 7 more of these, and like a couple of them with the Avalon Nano power supply, so hopefully that should run on high mode. I'll do another review once I get that in. So it's been starting up now, okay, and we're gonna see if this holds on to medium mode. So while that's going, I just wanted to show the underside here. Okay, so this is where the specs of the power needs to be. The input is 28 volt, okay, at 5 amps. And then the power consumption there says 140 watts max. So I have been unable to find a power brick, like, something that looks like this, that is capable of doing at least, 28 volts. This MacBook charger says it can do output 20 volt at 7 amps. So even though it does say 140 watts there, it seems to be unable to run this device on high mode. Okay, so yeah, I can actually do it on medium mode. Like I said, this Cable Matters cable sucks. So there's, again, different revisions of, generation standards of USB-C cable. So you got to be mindful. If you guys are not going to have the stock Avalon Nano, Canon Avalon Nano power supply, and you're going to be buying your own power brick yourself, your own cables, just be mindful of the generation of cables that you buy. I did try this Anchor one from Amazon as well. This one does not seem to work on medium mode as well, even though it claims to be a 240 watt USB-C cable. So even this Anchor one does not work. So I've had bad luck already on 2 cables, but the stock MacBook cable seems to work, okay? And you can see right here, it seems like it's, mining right now, 86 watts. We'll let this go a little bit more, but just wanted to explain this to you guys that I've been doing some testing on cables, and there's different revision generation cables there. So just be mindful of that if you are deciding to find the power supply on your own. It's obviously best to probably go with the Canon Avalon Nanos that they sell, but I know majority of people who bought these, there are orders that don't come with the power supply, or those really that didn't order the power supply with it. So I'm in Canada, right? And so I'm unable to find a power brick for USB-C that's, cost effective as well, because these aren't cheap, right? These MacBook ones I got for about 45 Canadian, but I saw a Lenovo one that was like 150 bucks or something. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna spend money on that. So I'm okay to run these on medium mode and not on high hash rate mode, which is supposed to draw obviously more power, right? But you guys can see the MacBook charger cable that comes with this one I got from Amazon seems to work just fine on medium mode. Just to show you, yep, it is hashing now, 90 watts. And the other cables, it would just restart the whole miner. So I wanted to do just a quick decibel test. Some people were asking how loud is this thing, and it's not loud at all. 42 decibels. It's very quiet, okay? This thing is very quiet. Like, you guys can't hear like the big boy ASIC miners I normally have in my videos. And so let's take a look at the temperature of this thing now. So my ambient right now is about 23 degrees Celsius, or for my American friends, it's about 73 Fahrenheit. So normal, kitchen, living room temperature, okay? So hottest point of this thing right now is about 63, 62 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you guys can see roughly the temperatures of this thing running in my kitchen, and also how hot is the power brick. The power brick right now is about, not too bad, it's about 46 max degrees Celsius, okay? So really, not too bad, not too bad. Like I said, this is the only thing that's mining in my kitchen right now, so it's not generally hot in here due to the ambient temperatures. But yeah, look, you guys can see it's mining no problem, 3.2 terahash, 90 watts, okay, on the MacBook charger, but didn't work on the Anchor or the Cable Matters crappy cable. I'm gonna return these on Amazon, and the stock MacBook one seemed to work just fine. Okay, so let's talk about some of the shipping updates. I know a lot of people ordered this, so let's go to the computer. I'll show you what Canon has updated with. Okay, so we are on the Indiegogo's website here, and this is where the shipping updates are going to be. Okay, so if many of you guys have been following on or pre-ordered, you may have gotten an email already, but if you haven't and you didn't know, there's been a pretty big update here regarding, when the order numbers are going to be shipped out. So I want to go through that. Also talk about some other stuff as well regarding where else you can buy these, where a lot of people have been ordering them actually from mineshop.eu, which they are today's video sponsor. We'll come back to this. So let's read the update from Canon May 11th. It's actually May 14th as of recording this video. So 3 days ago, okay? So they say here, better news of delivering. Dear customers, thank you for supporting the Avalon Nano 3. Right, a lot of people have pre-purchased these things, which really shows, a little device like this, it seems to have a lot of demand, and, people that have, maybe $100, $200, $300 to spare to buy one of these things, 2 of them maybe, including the power supply. People seem to like the idea of mining with one of these things at home, even though it's not profitable, but maybe it's an idea of supporting the network, or the simple idea of trying to solo mine and hit a block. But that is very rare. Anyways, reading the shipping update here. Due to the capacity of production, manually operating FedEx system, and we will start the next batch delivering on 22nd of May and adjust the shipping plan as follows. So from orders 173 to 798, all orders will be shipped before the end of May. Nice. Okay, so that actually includes mine. I'm between 400, 500. Okay, so before the end of May. All right, so next 2 weeks or so, orders from 173 to 798 will be shipped, apparently. So from $399 to $2,000, your orders will be locked on May 15th. If you have any intention of refund, please apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, so basically as of recording, you have like a day left to apply for a refund if you're going to refund between $399 and $2,000. All right, so from $7.99 to $2,000, your order will be shipped no later than June 15th, possibly by the end of May. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, so within the next 4 weeks here, the shipping numbers from $7.99 to $2,000 will be shipped no later than June 15th. Okay, so in the next month here. That's good to know. But from 2001 to 4,000, your orders will be locked on May 25th. If you have the intention of refund, please apply for it as soon as possible, and your orders will be shipped no later than June 30th, possibly no later than the 15th. So they're really ramping up production between like 800 to 4,000 within the next month. If they're planning on shipping out like 2,500 of these units in the next month, that's quite amazing. So they say here from 4,000 will be shipped according to the order's estimated shipping month. Okay. All right. Hope you can feel our sincerity, Canaan team. So it's great that they have this update here. I guess this really helps for those that have, pre-ordered on Canaan's Indiegogo here or on mineshop.eu, which I highly recommend ordering from. Mr. Guntis Vitolens, the owner, he's also a YouTuber. He's the owner of mineshop.eu. He also sells the Canon Avalon Nano 3, which is the one I got from him. So he does have the different batches here. And if you guys do plan on ordering from him, okay, click the link down below. I do have a $107 off coupon, but it's over $450. Okay, so if you plan on ordering, all right, I do have a coupon code RPM. So let's just say we went down to 3. If you want to buy 3 of these, okay, my coupon won't work because the coupon needs to be above, I think, 450 euro. All right, let me just try to put it in here. It says minimum spend for this coupon is $450. So if you want to get $100 off, all right, so if you decide to order 4 of these, which I know it is quite a bit more, you can get another $100 off here. Okay, maybe it's like free shipping. Use the code RPM. So if we did that, all right, 629 down to 529 euro. Okay, or if we change this to USD, it would be down to about 571. So it's pretty much you're knocking off the shipping cost of these things on the price by using my code RPM. So whether or not that's going to help anybody that want to order multiple of these, I'm not sure, but check it out if you guys are interested. Links down below. At the same time, if you are looking for a way to have self-custody of your own crypto, not storing it on any hot wallets, like software wallets that are on your phone or on your computer, I would highly recommend getting a cold storage wallet like a Tangem. And I have my RPM branded one if anyone is interested. It's one of the best ways I store my crypto now. I've moved off of my Ledger wallets. No need to use a cable anymore. No need to worry about a screen or a battery. The Tangem wallets, all in one. You have 2 backup cards as well with the RPM Tangem Edition 1. And you can also get 10% off as well using code RPM if you are interested. The discount right here. Okay, so I'm actually like mining to a Bitcoin Cash address right now on the Avalon Nano 3 solo mining. So if one day I hit a Bitcoin Cash block with one of these things, that's going to be awesome, but we'll see. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to do in this video. Hopefully this gives some context, maybe, some just, I don't know, sigh of relief maybe that Canaan is giving updates. They are doing their best on shipping these out. And so hopefully this eases some people's minds that have pre-ordered this, which a lot of people have pre-ordered this, as you guys can see the amount that has been backed. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts, and if you're still interested in ordering, links down below for the July batches. Okay, this is a lot of people have ordered these, so it's going to be in the next 2 months if you do decide to order from mineshop.eu. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.